Communication and overall appearance. The purpose of this is to assess the way a candidate presents themselves as a professional sommelier to their guests in a restaurant, displaying a confident and elegant interaction throughout the entire service. In this video, we will explain the communication and overall appearance guidelines. Professional formal attire or professional uniform. A sommelier should wear a pressed dark suit, trousers or dress or skirt suit, or professional uniform as in their formal restaurant. When choosing the uniform, remember that it should have functional pockets for the necessary tools of the trade and be neutral or dark of color. Shoes. Shoes should have closed toes. The shoes should be polished. Clean and ironed shirt or dress. All apparel, shirts or ties should be ironed. Apron. The use of aprons is optional unless prescribed by organizers. Discreet accessories. No excessive earrings, jewelry or similar. It is preferred that tattoos and other markings should be covered. No symbols that could be interpreted as hateful, either in tattoos or jewelry, are allowed. Personal hygiene and grooming. Clean hands and nails. Clean, groomed hairstyle. Discreet makeup. Groomed facial hair or clean shaven. Avoid perfume or eau de cologne. Remember that a sommelier should have the appropriate tools to complete the tasks. Sommeliers must provide tools for the specific tasks. They are not required to supply port tongues, funnels, decanters, etc. It is very important that the helix on a wine opener is a hollow one, to ensure that the cork is extracted properly. A large number of wine openers are having single-hinged levers. Sometimes corks are very long, and a wine opener with a double-hinged lever could help a bit when extracting this particular cork. A sommelier should demonstrate proficient dexterity when using his or her tools. The sommelier should demonstrate knowledge and elegant handling of the tools. Tools should not be dropped. It's important to have professional dexterity and service agility. When working the service floor, you should have a professional, elegant and consistent manner around your guests. This includes having a positive body language, i.e. not running, and no excessive waving of hands. You should show good organization skills. Organize every item in its correct place. Set up your mise en place efficiently. Serve in an orderly manner throughout the service whilst communicating with your guests to avoid lengthy silences. Guest communication and language. The use of language, both verbal and non-verbal communication, should be professional and understandable by your guests, and you should use the appropriate words. Guest interaction. Enhance the guest experience by interacting in a professional and positive way. Interaction with the guest demonstrates the ability to establish a professional relationship in order to engage and demonstrate sales skills to the guest while showing genuine hospitality.